Hi parents, it's Mr. Like again. Okay, we've kind of made it through life cycles, and what are those things that everything has in common? What we're really looking for with the students is that they need to understand that everything is born, if it's alive. It's born, it grows, it reproduces, and then it eventually dies. As a biology guy, I know that there's a lot more to it. There's, taking in energy, there's made out of cells, all those things, but we're going to save that for when they're a little bit older. Now we're going to get into kind of what it means to have traits, inherited traits and learned traits. And we're going to use a spider for that. So this episode deals with spiders and spider webs. Again, we're just trying to introduce the concept here, and I have a little project for them in the end. They're going to be making a spider web. Now there's lots of different ways they can make a spider web. The one thing they're probably going to need is some kind of string or yarn or something like that. Hopefully you've got something around your house. I give them an example of what I made and how I started it, but this is really an engineering process. So what they should do is they should really start looking at what is the problem. That's the first thing in engineering. 2, what are those constraints that we have? What is the materials that we have? How much time do I have? What are the things that I can do and what I can't do? Then I'd really like them to make a model, kind of a schematic of what they want to do. Engineers always plan before they just grab materials and start to go. Every time they start messing with different prototypes, it costs money. And so we want them to definitely plan it out, kind of how they're going to make their spider web before they make it. Once they're done with their plan, they could show it to you. You could talk about the materials and then let them go. I tried to create mine, and it's kind of a secret, but it's actually harder than I kind of thought to make it look like I wanted it to look like. In the end, I think I came up with a pretty good one, but I'll show that to them in the next episode. So have fun, let them get creative and enjoy what they're doing as we start to learn more and more about spiders and spider webs. Thanks.